So you think you know hair fu? Show me.
Hello, shameless Matrix reference there for anyone who's too young or too old or something to have watched The Matrix. Great film. Well, the first one's good fun, the second gets a bit more confusing, and they just get super confusing, but they're all good fun. So I have been on a battle against this stuff. Cat hair in carpets, on chairs and furniture. My hoovers don't seem to get rid of it. I've tried a few methods, some of which use like special scrapers, and I've even tried using Crocs, which works reasonably well. Other people have had success using their Croc shoes to kind of wipe this off. But I've discovered silicone oven gloves work really well. Don't ask me how I found this out, I've really no idea. And with a bit of extra trick, I can make them work even better. So just on their own, just move the camera a bit, they can quite successfully wipe off hair, like I'm doing here. I'm getting a nice little pile of it up here as I go. But here is the master stroke. If you spray them with this magic liquid, actually just a little bit of water, not tons of it because you don't want to make your furniture all wet, but a bit of water on it as well, and that hair just flies off. And pretty much instantly, with very little effort, this surface is not pristine, but a lot cleaner. So that's pretty much it. I've also tried this on carpet, and it's with a bit of a spray, it picks up dust and dirt off the carpet as well. And particularly here, I'm up in a loft. I don't really want to be, put the camera back, don't particularly want to be lugging a hoover up here into the loft, just to clean this square 2 feet. So, spray bottles of water. Every kind of home cleaner should have a reusable spray bottle like this, which you can squirt and spray, really useful. And some silicone oven gloves, which I think should last fairly well. It shouldn't wear them out. I think a scraper I used to use had really soft rubber, and it didn't last very long at all, and it just left bits of flakes of rubber on the ground rather than cleaning up the hair. But these are good, and they're also oven gloves, so dual purpose items are the way to go. Less clutter and less waste. Thanks for watching. Oh, I should wave with the oven glove. Matches my shirt. That was definitely planned, wasn't it? Because I'm a fashion god. Bye. Have fun.